What's up guys, Alex over here again in the garage, and today we're gonna keep working on stripping down and canabalizing the Axum. So let's go ahead and take a few more of these parts out. I might put in the headset on it, and let's make it quick and easy because I want to put this as back as stock as I can so that I can sell it or take it to Mexico and leave it in our house in Mexico. I don't know, but the plan is not to keep this bike not over here. So let's see what we can do. Before we do that, please subscribe, turn the notifications bell on, and enjoy the time lapse, enjoy the music. Let's ride. Alright, so completely stripped down, just gotta clean it up. Left the bottom bracket and the cable for the dropper post. I went ahead and installed the top cup bearing. I don't have, the one that I had, it was a 44 to 44, the one that actually extends to make it into a taper. And the bottom cup is not gonna fit in there because, you know, this is whenever you have a straight a 44 to 44 and you want to make it bigger, you might want to use a taper head tube. You can use this one, and I don't want to use the FSA on this one, so I'm just gonna order a bottom cup for this one, a 56, put it in here, and it should be ready to be put back together with as much as stock as possible. And this is some of the things that I went ahead and take out. I went ahead and take out the water bottle cages, the dropper post. This is the stock one from my Polygon Siskiyou T8. I know I've been saying T7, but it's actually a T8. I got the Dior cranks that I'm gonna put most likely on the Shimano one. I got a Dior shifter and derailleur, 12 speed with the cassette still on the wheel, and basically it's already all taken out. Clean up the chain and put this thing back as stock as I can and clean it up. Should be a good bike for somebody. If you're interested in this one, let me know, but again, I don't want to, we'll see what we can do. And with that said, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this one. I even took out the adapters because I had 203s running in this one. Most likely I'm not gonna be running 203s. I'm just gonna keep the stocks. And other than that, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. And you already know, let's ride. Goodbye.